it made me think. So I'm going to open up with, I did a Buddy Holly album with Paul in his barn in Scotland. And yeah, I was going to do it with the session guys down here in Nashville. I think it's Ray. I forget his name now. I'm telling you that. He was going to produce it, and we're going to do it with Warner Brothers. And it turned out that he wasn't available. And so Paul did it in his barn up in Scotland, put all the backing tracks in, and we did the Buddy Holly album called Holidays. So anyway, as a tribute to Buddy Holly. The sun is up, the sky is blue, there's not a cloud to spoil the view, and it's raining, raining in my heart. I don't really know it, but oh, the weatherman says fine today. He doesn't know that you've gone away, and it's raining, raining in my heart. Oh, misery, misery. What's gonna become of me? Remember that one? Oh, tap out blues. That thing wasn't sure. But still the tears begin to flow, and it's raining, raining in my heart. Close enough. Yeah. So this is the night of influences in a way. And he's a guy that the Moody's toured with in France. And we loved him because he used to sit in the van and he used to do this thing. He was trying to teach the white boys how to play the blues. That's what he was doing. And his name was Sonny Boy Williamson. So anyway, we toured around with him. And he was just